Today's video is about the cleansing technique, a very famous cleansing technique in Ayurveda, that is Gandusha or oil pulling is a technique that has to be practiced by taking some amount of oil in your mouth and swishing it around for maybe 5 to 7 minutes of minimum. Maximum you can take it up to 10 to 12 minutes. Now, how do you practice Gandusha? Gandusha for general health and hygiene, you can practice Gandusha with a little amount of coconut oil. Or if there is any health condition, you can make use of medicated oils as well. It also depends, usage of oil also depends upon the place where you're staying. So also according to the weather conditions. So different types of oils can be used for practicing Gandusha. It's better that you take an Ayurvedic doctor's advice before you practice it. Before I tell you how Gandusha has to be practiced or oil pulling has to be practiced, you need to know its benefits. So Gandusha, because you take oil into your mouth and you keep swishing it around, so it is very good for your oral health. Your oral hygiene is well maintained because of Gandusha, because oil reaches in all the centers, all the corners of your mouth, all the nook and corners of your mouth. So even where the brushing is not possible in the corners of your mouth, oil remains in the mouth for a longer time, so your oral hygiene remains very well. So any issue of gums, teeth, bad breath is all taken care of besides your oral health, because your muscles are involved while you're doing Gandusha, the facial muscles. So it helps in keeping up your facial muscles active, bringing up the glow on your facial muscles. Also muscles get good amount of exercise, which otherwise we don't even take care. Facial muscles are usually not taken care except in face yoga. So Gandusha helps in taking care of the massaging of your facial muscles. Also it helps cleaning up your sinusitis, sinus issues. Whoever has it, helps in removing the sinus issues as well. Also, it helps in maintaining your appetite. So, looking at these multiple benefits of Gandusha, I would suggest you to practice Gandusha, if not more, at least once in 15 days. As it is a cleansing technique, doing more of it will have its own side effects. So, not to do more of it, but of course, once in 50 days is good enough. Now, next we get into how you can practice Gandusha. Sesame oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil or any medicated oil. Do take the reference of an Ayurvedic doctor before you start practicing Gandusha. But for your general health, if there is no such health condition, generally cold pressed coconut oil is the best for practicing oil pulling. So how you do it, you take a capful of coconut oil into your mouth, the amount that your mouth can comfortably hold on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you keep swishing around it in your mouth. You can look, for the reference, you can look at the video how I have been doing it for holding it 5 to 10 minutes. Now, while you keep swishing it, you keep holding it on one side, you keep moving it from on all the sides, moving it around the mouth. Go on, after a while you will feel little pain in your cheeks and all, the lower jaw and all, but that's absolutely fine. Make sure the oil reaches in every corner of your mouth. Make sure you make all the movements of your facial muscles so that oil goes on in every corner. Finally, at the end of maybe 5, 7 or 10 minutes according to your capacity, you will find, sometimes your eye might start watering. That is the time you have to spit it out. Now, while you spit out the oil, make sure you're not spitting out into a wash basin, but into a commode, into a toilet or into a other drain, as it may clog your wash basin, the sink. So throw it out after some time. This has to be done early in the morning as you wake up, even before you're brushing your teeth. Once you're done doing this, spit it out. Just let your mouth be as it is for some time, minimum of 15 to 20 minutes or maybe up to half an hour. After that, you may go on with your morning routine of brushing your teeth and scraping the tongue and other stuff. Make sure not immediately after the oil pulling you are brushing your teeth. Also, oil pulling has to be necessarily done before brushing the teeth and not after it. Find very difficult practicing Gandusha, continuously for 7 minutes. Engage yourself into a different morning course. Do other stuff so that you don't realize that it's almost already 7 minutes that you have been practicing it. You won't even feel the pain and the stretch here, all of those things, So just put oil in your mouth, keep swishing, go around in the house with your morning course and just enjoy your Gandusha or oil pulling.